Quantum House Industry Analysis, Veterinary Services in Australia. Definition: the industry encompasses veterinary professionals and animal hospitals. Veterinarians specialize in animal medicine and surgery. Private veterinary practices are categorized into rural practices, which treat both companion and farm animals, and urban practices, primarily focused on companion animals. Performance highlights. Pandemic pet boom boosts veterinary services. Increased pet ownership during COVID-19 has driven strong demand for veterinary services. Australia ranks among the world's highest in pet ownership, with notable growth in dog and cat ownership by 2022. Vets capitalize on profitable pet trends. Rising service prices and heightened demand have bolstered veterinary revenue and profit margins, as indicated by the ABS Producer Price Index. Pet ownership trends show growth among diverse household demographics. Technological advancements drive veterinary growth. Advances in technology, medical procedures, and pharmaceuticals are meeting increased demand for specialized veterinary services. Pet insurance uptake and media coverage further enhance awareness and demand for veterinary care and merchandise. Challenges to veterinary industry resilience: advocacy for animal rights, regulatory restrictions on pet ownership, and controversies like greyhound racing impact veterinary practices. Urban housing trends also limit pet ownership in densely populated areas. Industry outlook: pet ownership drives veterinary demand. High pet ownership continues to fuel veterinary service demand, benefiting veterinarians significantly. Insurance and spending boost veterinary revenue. Increased pet insurance adoption and higher pet owner spending support robust revenue growth in veterinary services. Advancing veterinary services. Expand offerings. Veterinary services expand with advanced procedures like endoscopies and oncology treatments, boosting pricing and margins. Technological advances enhance veterinary care. Technology advancements improve productivity and protect profit margins, with emerging services like animal acupuncture and advanced canine dentistry. Income and insurance drive revenue growth. Rising household income and pet insurance uptake drive increased spending on pet medical care, sustaining veterinary revenue growth. Strategic investments strengthen veterinary firms. Larger veterinary practices enhance demand through specialized centers and advanced equipment, promoting brand loyalty and growth. Agricultural sector boosts rural demand. Demand for veterinary services grows in rural areas due to higher quality agricultural products and improved breeding stock, despite challenges in fee payments. Consolidation shapes veterinary market. Consolidation among larger veterinary companies enhances efficiency and investment in advanced technology, aiming to expand market share and services. Industry revenue. The veterinary industry experienced a significant boost due to increased pet ownership during the COVID-19 pandemic. Demand for veterinary services grew markedly during 2020-21 and 2021-22, driven by this surge in pet ownership. Products and services. Vets adapt to surge in pet ownership with increased routine services. Veterinarians are expanding routine services such as checkups, vaccinations, flea treatments, and basic dentistry as pet ownership surges. Growing demand for planned veterinary procedures in urban and rural areas. There is strong growth in planned veterinary procedures, including desexing, pathology, oncology, and microchipping, driven by rising pet numbers. Shift in veterinary services. Decline in emergency care segment. The emergency veterinary services segment, which includes major surgeries, is shrinking in proportion to routine and planned procedures. Competitive landscape for veterinary merchandise and pet products. Veterinary practices face intensified competition from online and retail stores in selling pet merchandise and products. Diverse veterinary services drive revenue growth. Vets are expanding their service offerings to include animal sales, kennel services, puppy schools, and home visits, meeting increased demand from households and other markets. Key external drivers include real household discretionary income, number of households, demand from agriculture, high income earners, demand from general insurance, demand from horse and dog racing. Key success factors. 1. Overcoming volatility. Establishing an effective pricing strategy, building a strong reputation, and achieving economies of scale. 2. Offering products and services. offering suitable facilities and manufacturing goods that are in high demand in the market. 3. Handling concentration, building a strong reputation and achieving economies of scale. 4. Overcoming barriers to entry, implementing efficient cost management measures. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions regarding this presentation, please contact us.